YouTube. This is gonna be a quick how-to, well not quick, but a how-to on the range extender. I didn't get the extender or the battery in yet, even though I do have one I can run, which is a Life and 3S pack. So for now, we're just gonna connect this wire to the inside of this. So you gotta take this remote apart. Let's go ahead and do that. So gotta take this off. Just got 2 screws down here and the rest are in the back. And then we'll come back. We're back. So let me adjust this camera to show y'all something. So you see how this is it takes the back regular AA's. But my plan is I'm gonna put a connector here to run maybe a Life battery in there, because it says 6 volts, so I'm sure it'd be good at 6.6. Put that right up in there. Bam. I got one coming, so we'll take care of that. But the remote is apart. Took the back piece off, screws out the back. Now what I'm trying to do is, this is a adapter piece to upload for the computer for this. I plan on running my cable through here, slicing it here and putting it here. I want my pack to go on the back right here. That's the best place for me. So let's go ahead and crack this remote open. It's going to be a little problem, but you want to take the back piece off first. Well, only, should I say. Don't worry, you got a little button that falls out of there, but don't worry about that, which is right here. Basically, just gonna put it right back in there. Put it back in there, just like that. Just like that. So when you put it back on, it presses that button. But anyway, so now to the nitty gritty. So if y'all look up in there, let me make sure y'all seeing that. If you look up in there, right there, that gold piece at the end of this. Let's get something to point up in there. But that piece right here, that's what we want to take out and put this on. And then run this on the outside. Excuse me, y'all. Parched. But anyway, we want to hook that up and run this straight back out. I wish there was a way to put the booster in here, but it's not, so we got to make do. Well, this is the antenna wire that's giving me all my boost. So we're going to take this out and then go from there. All right, guys, sorry about that. So now we're trying to take this cable out, as I showed y'all before I went dry. So I got some tools here we're going to try to take this out with. It's the first time, so, you know, got to be cautious with everything. Now we got that off. So that's what we're looking at there. That's that. Now we want to connect this one to that. All right. And we also want to run it on the outside. So from what I'm thinking, it's going to clip on there. And then I'm going to run it straight out through the side of the remote, which is going to go down here. And it's going to come out through there. So I'm going to have to put it in reverse though. So it is going to have to go in first, and I'm going to have to work that way. So let's do it. All right, y'all, so this is how far I got. We're putting the wire on now. So we want to gently put it back on the way it got to go. Hope y'all seeing that. Well, not really, but if you look in there, sorry about that. It's got 2 antenna wires. I'm guessing I could have used a second one because it has A and B. I'm guessing I could have used a second one, but I'm going to just stay with the main one. And I'm going to connect this to there, and then we're going to go from there. Remember, it has to go through here first, unless you put a big enough hole for this to go through. So just remember that. All right, guys. I'll be back right now. Y'all see that? It says antenna A, antenna B. So I'm on the antenna A side, which is the stock side that I took my first antenna out of. I hot glued it. And that's antenna B. I'm not too sure what that's for, but I just had to get up and, sorry about the washing machine noise, but I just wanted to get up in debt, show y'all everything is set up. That's connected there. This is the old one, just to show y'all. Came out like that. Same thing. Snap on, plug and play, baby. Snap it on. Do it how you want. You know, you could have brung it straight out the top here. I don't want to. I already got it how I want to set up. So this is basically to go back together now. So that's what we're gonna do. Just want to really get inside to show y'all where it's really connected to. A and B, it goes to the A side, as far as I know. And that's where I took off the stock one, so that's why I put it back at. So let me go ahead and throw this remote back together, y'all. Excuse the noise. All right, guys, we back. We got this plugged in. So when you snap this in, you are gonna hear a click. I had to put it a little sideways because the metal was a little bit longer than this one at the tip. So it was touching. Bring it in so you guys can see. See in there? If I would have put it straight up, it would have hit here. So I put it like on a slant, but it's connected. So what I want, so I didn't put it on when it was through here. So I am going to Dremel out a little bit here to get this through there. And then we'll go from there. But it's connected, and I do want it to come out next to that. So as y'all seeing that, it's on there. We'll go from there. All right, too. So we back. I did Dremel out my hole right here with this Dremel tool, just to get enough space to fit this the head through there. So now we can go ahead and close this back up. Make sure your button's in there and go from there. You know, gotta throw my button back up in there, but there she go. So she's gonna sit out like that. I did put some hot glue gun on the wire so it won't move inside and pop off when I'm moving this around. But once I put my boost extender here, and whatever I use, I don't know if I'm gonna use double-sided tape or hot glue, but that's why it shouldn't move. So it's gonna come out this side right here. I am gonna notch it out a little bit so that the cover closes, and then it should have enough room to sit right on top of there, just like that. Bam. Or wherever it's at, you get it? But this part, oh, sorry, it goes at the bottom. So it's gonna be down here, screwing in, mess around like that. And then we go from there. Make sure everything's secured, and I'm gonna bolt this remote back up. All right, too, this is how my remote is sitting right now. Basically, I'm just waiting on the my booster. So booster's gonna go here somewhere. Antenna goes at the top of the booster, and this goes at the bottom. So basically all the hard work is done. That's how it's gonna sit for now. And yes, it does still work. Just need my booster and I'm ready. So DX5C, let's wait on that booster, then we'll continue. All right, YouTube. So I went back into the remote simply because I want to try the B side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this, which is the stock antenna, back to the B side and hook it back up and just leave it in there to see if I still get reception without using the booster, and then we'll go from there. So stay tuned on that. All right, guys, so I put that second antenna back in there. You guys see that? It's two of them in there now. Right in there, it's one, that's two. So we're gonna try that out like that and go from there and see how that work out. I'll probably just try it without the booster, even though this is connected. I'm not sure if this is gonna give me signal, but we're gonna still try it like that. And then we'll try it with the booster and see what happens. So stay tuned. All right, how's it going, YouTube? So we're gonna go ahead and put the booster on today. Did get that in. I did not do the range test yet with the B, with the A and the B as of now. So I don't know if I posted it in the video or not. But now we're gonna throw on this. Just got this in the mail. Let me unbox it and show y'all how it comes. So that's how it comes. It's a 5 volt to 15 volt. All right, that's the box. I guess that's the light to tell you when it's on. I got my battery charging now for the JST plug. It also come with this adapter, but as I said before, I would have had to solder this piece on. So I got the adapter, which all the links will be downloaded to everything. This the antenna that comes with it. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble this on the remote and go from there. Y'all stay tuned. Now she all done. I guess this is how she's sitting. I'm waiting on my battery to be charged. I'll probably double-sided tape here until I get some Velcro. But I hot glued this to that for now. I don't know if I wanted to sit there, see if my hand hit that piece. We're gonna find out. Next thing is a range extender test, but I'll probably do that in another video. I'm not sure how long this one was, but that's how I sit on the DX5C. Man, I'm not sure if I put it in the video or not, but remember, this is connected to A, and I still got the stock antenna. I moved it back and put it on B. So we're gonna do the test on that and see how that go. But for right now, like how I was set up, I'm gonna clean that up right there. Ain't worried about that though. But she's sitting nice, so now the remote still works. And the next thing I want to do is take the AAAs out of here. I'm waiting on my batteries to come, but they ain't come. So I got a Life battery. This could fit in there, but I did get the new ones where the wires don't come out the top, they come out of here. So hopefully that'll fit right up in there. Boom, got a Life battery, 6.6 volt, could recharge. And I'll be having rechargeable. I'm gonna run 3S, and I'm gonna keep a spare 2S. So we'll do some range testing. Y'all stay tuned for that. All right, YouTube, just want to give y'all guys a quick update on how the remote is set up. So that's my 3S pack I got up there. G-Force. It was about $6 for this 3S pack. Got my JST connector on there. Basically just plugs in. Extend my remote. I'm good to go. So as she sit. So far, I'm liking it. I did do a test, but I didn't do a test where I normally do it, so I gotta go back to my spot. So y'all stay tuned for the test to come. Let me go ahead and plug it up and show y'all this work. There you go. See that light on in there? That's the 3S pack. Everything connected. It's gonna sit just like that. Out of my way as of right now. So y'all stay tuned for the test of this. Let's put it to the test, see if it works. Thank y'all for tuning in. Hope y'all enjoy it.